Hello, Lynn.
Yeah, teacher.
Okay, can you hear, teacher?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, you're so pretty tonight. Did you eat your dinner already? Done eating?
Yes.
Good. All right. So last time, Lynn, or yeah, last Monday, what we had was we did listening activity. And since we still have few minutes left on the listening activity, we had speaking. Okay. Now today, Lynn, we will be doing reading and writing. Okay. So let me share to you the screen. Wait me. Where's this? Okay. Here. Let me share to you the screen so we can start with our reading and writing activity. Okay. Can you see teacher's screen?
Yes.
Okay, so here, let's do the first one. You're just going to look at the picture, read a sentence, put a tick if it's correct, put X if it's not correct. You do first number one. What's number one? This is go.
Yes.
What's number one, Lynn?
Teacher,
Okay, okay, read.
this
Number
they
one.
are sure.
Okay, what's the
Yes.
answer? It's cross. Let's check. Yeah, very good. It's cross. Lynn, why do you think it's a cross? Because
Because
what is in the picture?
a teacher.
Okay, a shirt, not a shoe. Okay, Lynn, you answer first numbers 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Teacher, yes.
Okay, read now number 1.
This is an answer. Check. This is a lamp. Check. This is a fish. Cross.
Next. Okay, number 1. This is an armchair. Very good, Tick. Number 3. This is a bathroom. What's the answer? Oh, sorry. Okay, correct. Lynn, why is it number 3 is X? Why it's X? Why it's X? X because what's let number 3? It's
Because this
a
is a mushroom.
it's a bedroom, not a bathroom, correct? Number 4, this is a lamp, correct? And 5, this is a fish. Why it's X? Because
Because this is a cross.
Because it's a frog. There you go. Great work, Lynn. Now, Lynn, here, let's do part 2 of the reading and writing activity. Write yes if it's in the picture. Write no if it's not in the picture, okay? Sorry. Okay, go, Lynn. Write yes or no.
Teacher, minutes.
Okay, please read.
Two rabbits are eating ice creams. Yes. The crocodile is sleeping under the tree. Yes. The woman has got a ring hat. No. There are five monkeys in the water. No. The boys are playing with toy balls. Yes.
Okay, let's check. The rabbits are eating ice cream. Yes, correct. The crocodile is sleeping under the tree. Very good. It's still yes. 3. The woman has got a green hat. No. Why the answer is no?
Because the woman has got a ring hat.
Okay, because the woman got no hat. Okay, doesn't have a hat. Next, number 4. There are 5 monkeys in the water. No, why no? Because
Because in the water there are three monkeys.
very good, because in the water there are 3 monkeys. Next, number 5. The boys are playing with toy boats. It's yes. Very good, very good, Lynn. Got perfect. Okay, you got perfect. Okay, Lynn, here, you're going to arrange the letters to form the word. Go.
Some minutes.
Okay, what's the answer number 1? It's
Book.
book. Okay, very good. Number 1 is a book. Correct. Okay, next. Okay, you answer 2, 3, 4, 5.
Sean finished.
Okay, please read.
Number 2, ruler. Number 3, school. Number 4, teacher. Number 5, computer.
Okay. Okay, now here, number 1, your answer is a ruler. The answer is ruler, correct. Next, number 2 or 3, school is correct. 4, teacher is correct. 5 is computer. Perfect. Very good, Lynn. So easy. Okay. So Lynn, let's do this one. Read the story, look at the pictures and the 2 examples. Write one word answer. Go, Lynn.
Sean finished.
Okay, Lynn, please read, Lynn.
I am a beautiful animal. I live next to a family with a big house and a running with flowers in it. I have a long face and ears. There's a brown hair on my body. I can I can run and jump with my brown legs. I like children. I give them a rice. They give me a carrot. What am I? I am a horse.
Okay, let's check. Now here, I am a beautiful animal. I live next to a family with a big house. The garden with flowers in it. I have a long face and ears. There is a brown hair on my body. I can run and jump with my 4 legs, correct? I like children. I give them a ride. They give me a carrot. What am I? I am a horse. Very good. Great work. Perfect. Okay, part 4, you got perfect score again. Now here, Lynn, I want you to look at the pictures, read the question, and write one word answer. For example, what is he eating? He's eating an egg. Okay, how many apples are there? Answer is 3. Colin?
We shall finish.
Okay, please read.
What string has he lost? Some shoes.
Okay, number 1. What drink has he got? Is it a juice? Oh, sorry. Okay, here, Lynn, sorry. Lynn, the answer could be a juice or a milk, okay? So your answer, juice, can be correct because look at the picture. It looks like a juice, right? The color also looks like a juice. Okay, Lynn, how about 2 and 3?
We shall finish.
Okay, please read number 1 and number 2.
What color is the apple? Red. Red is he goes to school.
Okay, number 2, what color is the apple? The answer is red. Number 3, where is he going? He's going to the school. Correctly. Perfect. Okay, next, Lynn. 4 and 5.
Something is
Okay, please read now. Number 4, who is?
was he giving the apple to a girl? Where are they sitting? Wow.
Okay, number 4, who is he giving the apple to? It's the girl. 5, where are they sitting? It's on the wall. Perfect. Very good, Lynn. Oh, Lynn, very good. Your comprehension is really good. Okay, see, Lynn, you were able to finish all the activity in the reading and writing activity. Now here, Lynn, since we still have minutes left, we will do unit 42. Okay, before we start, Lynn, you enter again, Lynn, so you'll have more time in doing unit 42. Okay, enter again.